Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best oil control is probably one of the most sought-after products for people with oily skin, as finding the right moisturizer can be tricky. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but don't worry. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great face moisturizer for oily skin, exploring key ingredients, textures, and application techniques to help you achieve a healthy, balanced complexion without that unwanted shine. We will analyze several top contenders, comparing their performance and effectiveness to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect match for your skin type. Number 5. Differin Oil Absorbing Moisturizer SPF 30. This innovative moisturizer is designed for acne-prone and sensitive skin. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 sun protection, essential for daily use. Its lightweight formula uses micropearl technology to absorb excess oil, leaving your skin with a matte finish all day long. Say goodbye to shine. Developed by dermatologists, it's oil-free, non-greasy, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and fragrance-free. It won't clog your pores. It uses oleosome technology to deliver significant hydration with minimal irritation. It's gentle enough for daily use. Apply it liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours for optimal sun protection. This moisturizer is recommended by dermatologists for use alongside Differin gel for complete skincare. It's the perfect addition to your routine. What we like. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection, absorbs surface oil for a matte finish, and is suitable for sensitive skin. If you have acne-prone skin and need sun protection, this is a great option. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, and won't clog pores, making it perfect for daily use. What people say. Lightweight and don't leave white things on your face. It blends well with the foundation. I've struggled to find a moisturizer that works for my sensitive, acne-prone skin, but the Differin Oil Absorbing Moisturizer with SPF 30 has been a game changer. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling fresh and not greasy. It truly lives up to its oil-absorbing claims, keeping shine under control throughout the day. I also love that it has SPF 30, so I get sun protection without having to use a separate sunscreen. I've been using the Differin moisturizer for 2 years now and very happy with product, especially since it has SPF 30. It doesn't feel greasy and absorb quickly. I don't generally use any other makeup, so I apply this daily moisturizer and I'm set for the day. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte. This daily moisturizer is specially formulated for oily skin. It's lightweight and mattifying, perfect for everyday use. It contains ceramides and niacinamide to help repair your skin's barrier and reduce oiliness. These ingredients work together to keep your skin balanced and healthy. This oil-free formula won't clog your pores. It's non-comedogenic, so you can say goodbye to breakouts. It's suitable for all skin tones, providing gentle hydration without leaving a greasy residue. It's designed to work with your skin, not against it. This moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration and a matte finish. See and feel the difference it makes to your skin's health and appearance. Say goodbye to excess shine and hello to balanced, healthy-looking skin. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This moisturizer contains ceramides and niacinamide to help repair your skin barrier and control oil production. It leaves a matte finish without feeling heavy. If you're looking for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that helps improve skin texture, this is a good choice for you. Number 3. Era Organics Tea Tree Cream. This advanced cream nourishes your skin with a super blend of organic ingredients. It helps calm and smooth blemishes for a clearer complexion. It effectively fights shine. 7 powerful ingredients work together to support balanced sebum production for healthy-looking skin. This gentle cream helps cleanse and minimize pores. It uses a blend of natural ingredients to balance excess oils, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. It provides soothing redness relief. 11 superfoods work together to calm and balance your skin without harsh chemicals. It delivers deep hydration with a smooth, matte finish and no greasy residue. It's perfect under makeup or for active days. Ethically sourced and sustainably harvested ingredients. It's proudly made in the USA, cruelty-free, and paraben-free, with a satisfaction guarantee. What we like. It uses tea tree oil to fight blemishes and balance oil production, while also soothing redness. If you have oily, blemish-prone skin and want a natural approach, this could be your solution. It's packed with organic ingredients to help calm and smooth your complexion. Number 2. Cetaphil DermaControl SPF 30 Moisturizer. This oil-absorbing moisturizer is specially designed for sensitive, oily skin. It provides all-day hydration without clogging pores. It hydrates your skin while leaving a beautiful matte finish. Say goodbye to unwanted shine. This unique formula absorbs oil, reduces shine, hydrates, and protects your skin from the sun. It's the ultimate multitasker. It offers broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays. This is recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation. It's lightweight, oil-free, and contains no added fragrance. It absorbs quickly and leaves your skin feeling fresh and comfortable. It's designed to be gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Experience effective skincare without irritation. What we like. This moisturizer offers SPF 30 sun protection, absorbs oil to reduce shine, and provides long-lasting hydration. If you need a simple, effective moisturizer with sun protection for sensitive, oily skin, this is a reliable option. It's lightweight, oil-free, and fragrance-free, making it suitable for daily use. What people say. It goes on smoothly, feels light, and doesn't leave my face greasy or shiny. No strong scent either. Great lotion with SPF sunscreen. No greasy oily feeling when applied. A good everyday face lotion with SPF. Works well for me too since I tend to have an oily face. Number 1. Bubble Level Up Moisturizer. Introducing Bubble's Level Up Moisturizer, a lightweight gel that revitalizes your skin and provides shine-free hydration. It's perfect for blemish-prone or oily skin. It's formulated with yarrow extract, zinc PCA, and niacinamide to heal, restore moisture, and promote radiance. This helps control texture and leaves your skin feeling comfortable and fresh. This lightweight moisturizer not only improves your skin's radiance but also protects against blue light damage. It's a true skincare superfood. Start with our Fresh Start Cleanser, then apply your toner or treatment. Finally, apply 1 to 2 pumps of this moisturizer to clean, dry skin. Bubble believes everyone deserves access to affordable, high-quality skincare. It's our mission to help you face your day with confidence. What we like. It's a lightweight, hydrating gel moisturizer that also offers blue light protection. If you have oily or combination skin and want a refreshing, non-greasy formula, this is a good option. It helps improve skin texture and radiance without clogging pores. What people say. Finding a moisturizer that works well for combination skin can be challenging, but this product strikes the perfect balance. It provides just the right amount of hydration without making my skin feel oily. My skin feels nourished and balanced all day long. The moisturizing power of this product is excellent. It sinks into the skin quickly and leaves it feeling soft, smooth, and well hydrated. Even the drier areas of my face feel replenished, while the oilier zones remain matte and shine-free. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy or clogged. My skin feels hydrated and calm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.